Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a pending payment on Apple Pay. First, open your iPhone and go to the Messages or iMessage app. This is where Apple Pay transactions are managed if you sent money through a message. Navigate to the conversation where you sent the payment. Next, locate the specific transaction you want to cancel. You'll notice the status says pending. Tap on the transaction and you'll see a few options, including send again and cancel payment. If the payment is still pending, tap cancel payment. The payment will be canceled immediately, and the status in the conversation will update to reflect that it's no longer pending. Keep in mind, if the transaction is already completed, the cancel option won't appear, and you won't be able to stop the payment. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can cancel any pending Apple Pay transaction quickly and easily. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.